higher efficiency in auto-drafting. In ZW3D WuKong 2027, the automatic drawing generation function has been optimized, greatly improving drawing rationality and achieving full coverage of scenarios such as sheet metal parts, surface parts, and assemblies. Next, let's experience it directly in ZW3D WuKong 2027. First, automatic drawing for sheet metal parts. ZW3D WuKong 2027 can automatically generate sheet metal unfolded drawings and mark maximum dimensions, allowing engineers to calculate blanking sizes directly. Then, let's check the automatic drawing performance for surface parts. The software can directly call cutting planes in the 3D environment to quickly create sectional views, meeting engineers' needs for rapid model modification. Finally, take a look at automatic drawing for assemblies. ZW3D WuKong 2027 automatically generates BOM lists and exploded views. As introduced above, the automatic drawing function in ZW3D WuKong 2027 covers a wide range of drawing scenarios and supports various complex design projects.